Feel when you wake up to this view. Oh my god. Everyone, welcome to my new vlog and good morning from London from the Tower Hotel. And the Tower Bridge is right in front of me right now. And in my last vlog, I was very tired because of the long flight hours and no sleep. So I had to end it up like this only. Show many things, and I was not very fresh. So in this vlog, I will show you everything that we are doing, everywhere that we are going, and yes, everything. Now we are going for breakfast downstairs, and yes, that is it for now. And today we have our whole itinerary planned from the Go City app. And first of all, we are going to Tower of London, then we will go to the London Eye, and I think in the evening we'll go to the Shards, then the St. Paul's Cathedral in the afternoon because it closes down in the evening, and Westminster Abbey. Yes, yesterday we went to the Big Ben and all that stuff, all the famous buildings, famous photogenic places. So yeah, today we'll go inside and I'll show you everything. So this is basically a pass which includes everything. So it includes hundreds of destinations, tickets for hundreds of destinations in London, and you can choose your pass according to how much you want to pay and what places you want to see. And then you can just get your passes scanned at all these places, and you can get an entry like this. Charges of these passes are based on for how many days you take basically. So it's like based on days. So for 1 day this amount, for 2 days this amount, it's like this. And it's also based on for there's a normal pass and there's a pass plus, so which includes premium things, tickets to premium things like the Shards, Madame Tussauds, etc, etc. So yeah, so this is all that I can find without eggs. All English breakfast, nothing Indian at all. Now we are heading towards the Tower of London, which is just a 3-minute walking distance from our hotel. So let's go. So this is the Tower of London, and now we're going in. Mama, give a fit check. Piche jao. Nice fit. Chalo. That's Ramya and that's my papa. So these are the ravens of the Tower of London, and it is double triple size of a normal crow, and it is said that when these ravens leave the Tower of London, the kingdom of London will fall. So people really take care of them here. So this is the Crown Jewels Tower, and I think there'll be jewels inside maybe. Let's go see. We went inside the Crown Jewels Tower and we saw all the jewels, crowns, and photography was prohibited inside obviously, so I couldn't video record it. Now we're going to the next tower.
अभी मैं कोहिनूर देख के आ रहा हूँ. बहुत दुख होता है कि हमारे से लूटा हुआ सामान यहाँ पे पड़ा हुआ है. तो ये साले अपनी बौसियत दिखा रहे हैं यहाँ पे.
The prisoners were kept here. This is the Salt Tower. Just look at this. So now we are in the hop and hop off bus, and now we are going to the London Eye. Yes, please. So we are at the London Eye now. Hi, Dad.
Our brother and sisters are coming. You see, our Indian guys are coming. नमस्ते आंटी जी, नमस्ते सत श्री अकाल।
सूट सलवार में आ रहे हैं इंडियंस तो, है ना पापा? और एक तो आंटी ऐसे चुन्नी बांध के आ रही है।
बाल कितना दे हो गए ने? I speak only Punjabi and English, you know. In London आई।
सिंगापुर फ्लैट से तो बहुत बड़ी है ये लंदन आई, है ना पापा? वो छोटा था। This is the London Eye and this is the Westminster Abbey. Now we are going in. So now we are here at the King's Gallery and we are going inside. I think so this is the Buckingham Palace. Some changing of the guard ceremony is taking place here. So we came back to the hotel and we were very tired though, but we changed our outfits and now we are going to the Shards and right now how I look. Hi Ramya. This is my new fit. This is Ramya's new fit. Mom's the same. Dad's the same. ये देखो पापा कहाँ बैठे हैं. पापा से हाय. अब हमने कैब बुक कर ली थी क्योंकि हम बसेस में ट्यूब्स में घूम घूम के बहुत थक गए थे क्योंकि उसमें बहुत चलना पड़ता है. बस स्टॉप तक चल के जाना, फिर यू नो ऑल दैट स्टफ, फिर दूसरे स्टॉप पे जाना, वेट करना, तो इट्स वेरी हेक्टिक. पैर बहुत दर्द हो गया तो अब हमने फाइनली कैब कर ली शार्ड्स तक के लिए. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग अपवर्ड्स टुवर्ड्स द शार्ड्स. So this is finally the view from the Shards. We are here. So now we are going back to the hotel. I hope you enjoy the Shards with me. So bye, see you. Let's see what we do next. I'm not sure of it. यहाँ पे 8 बजे रात के एंड द सन इज शाइनिंग लाइक एनीथिंग. यहाँ पे सुबह इससे इतनी ठंड है, मतलब दोपहर को भी इतनी ठंड थी यहाँ पे, और अब यहाँ पे इतनी तेज़ धूप है रात को 8 बजे. लाइक सीरियसली आई कांट अंडरस्टैंड दिस. गाइस ठंड में मर जाओ पर फोटो पूरी आ लीजिए टावर ब्रिज के आगे. So that's it for today's vlog. I'm ending this vlog here and I will start another vlog tomorrow. So bye, see you tomorrow.